Boink.
Last game of the day, team deathmatch.
Was it a bird?
We're going to be playing full map, guys. Yeah. Right, so blue team, if you want to head down to that spawn in nuke. Red team, that spawn in village. And we
Definitely me.
I've got radio. So just...
I've seen this.